Let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Joseph the Body Fitness Show. Thank you for subscribing to the fitness show. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a 1,000-calorie shake, baby. Let's get it. Okay, so all you need today is from GNC, a cheap $20 blender, 20 bucks. So I also have the NutriBullet, which I do not use because that's my wife's, and it's a little fancy one. I don't know how much it costs, but I heard it's a lot of money. But I have the GNC for 20 bucks. Gotta get it. So I love me some chocolate. So I got some chocolate protein powder. It's casein. There's whey, there's soy, and there's casein. Casein I love because it's slow release protein. It feeds the muscles for a longer period of time. So this baby right here has 120 calories. It has protein is, I think 24, something like that. Yeah, 24 grams right there, 24 grams. Bam, right there in your face. And then the total carbohydrates is 3 grams, so it's very low in carbs. Fiber is only 1 gram. Now here's the thing, I added me some oats. So I ran out of steel oats. So I got the instant oatmeal Quaker here. So this one has 150 calories for half a cup. Half a cup is 4 ounces. We have 27 grams of carbohydrate and 2 soluble fiber. Okay, 4 grams of fiber. So it's good. 4 grams. That's all we need. Bam! In your face to get those sexy muscles. So what you're going to do is you want to measure the cup. Here's the cup, okay? We're gonna measure this baby at 10 to 12 ounces of water. If you're trying to bulk up, you're gonna put some whole milk in there. Even some good almond milk is good if you wanna add some more calories, and a banana and peanut butter. But for today's video, we're just gonna keep it lean with oats, water, and then 1 scoop of protein, baby. That's how we do it. Okay, let's get some water. Come with me to the fridge, baby. So, here's the water. Okay, let's do 10-ounce water. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, baby. We're gonna drink this shit up. Okay, bam. Okay, my bad. I put 12 ounces. Okay, 12 ounce water is good. And 1 scoop of the casein protein. Are you ready? It smells good. I love me some chocolate. See that? I'm almost done with it. I gotta re-up. Look at that. I'm in love with the cocoa. Okay. Da-da-da. Okay. Don't mess this up, okay? You gotta measure it, 4 ounces. If you're trying to bulk up, you wanna put 8 ounces of oats in here. That'll be 300 calories. So only gonna put half a cup. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, right there, half a cup. That's my shit right here, baby. Woo! And then what I do, if you're trying to bulk up, you put 1 whole banana in here, big giant spoon of peanut butter, and you just have whole milk instead of the water. And then that'll be like 1,000 calories right there, baby. I know it because I've done it before. And it tastes really good. So I just shake it up a little bit, not too much. And then I put this on this bad boy here. And the beauty with this GNC product, you just press 1 button. Start, finish. Here we go. Do that shit for 1 minute. 1 minute. 150 minutes. Ooh, the product is added, baby. Damn. I don't think that was a minute, but it was close enough, right? Look at that. Drink that baby up. Okay, don't try to drink from the cup because then it'll spill all over your lips and your mustache and all that, and then all the way down to your drawers. So you want to drink it like this. Put a little tapa on, and cheers. Drink up, baby. Do you like that? Peace out, Joe the Body. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.